Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about an important topic that many of you have been asking about: dividend investing versus other investment strategies in the Philippines. Do you want to know the secret to earning passive income? Look no further than dividend investing. In this video, we'll explore how it stacks up against other investment strategies in the Philippines. Investing is an important part of achieving financial stability and independence. There are many different investment strategies available. One such strategy is dividend investing, which involves buying stocks that pay out regular dividends to investors. Dividend investing is becoming increasingly popular in the Philippines, especially among those who are looking for a way to earn passive income. In essence, dividend investing involves buying stocks in companies that have a history of paying out dividends to their shareholders. These dividends are typically paid out on a regular basis, such as quarterly or annually, and can provide a steady stream of income for investors. The advantage of dividend investing is that it can provide a reliable source of income, even during times of market volatility. This is because companies that pay out dividends tend to be more stable and profitable than those that don't. Additionally, dividend stocks can provide a way to earn higher returns than other types of investments, such as bonds or savings accounts. However, dividend investing is not without its risks. One potential drawback is that dividend payments can fluctuate or even be suspended altogether if a company's financial situation changes. Additionally, the value of the stock itself can also fluctuate, meaning that investors may not see a return on their investment if they need to sell the stock during a downturn. Overall, dividend investing can be a great way to earn passive income and achieve financial stability. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of this strategy against other investment options, such as mutual funds, real estate, or other types of stocks. In the next sections of this video, we'll explore how dividend investing stacks up against other investment strategies in the Philippines and provide tips on how to get started with this approach. Potential for passive income. One of the primary features of dividend investing is the potential for earning passive income. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, investors can earn regular payments without having to actively manage their investments. This can be especially appealing for those who are looking for a way to supplement their income or build a retirement nest egg. Long-term growth potential. Dividend-paying stocks can also offer long-term growth potential, as companies that consistently pay dividends tend to be financially stable and profitable. By reinvesting dividends over time, investors can compound their returns and potentially see significant growth in their investment portfolio. Lower volatility. Dividend-paying stocks can also offer lower volatility than other types of investments, such as growth stocks or speculative investments. This is because companies that pay dividends tend to be more established and less likely to experience significant swings in their stock price. Diversification. Another key feature of dividend investing is that it can provide diversification benefits to an investment portfolio. By investing in a variety of dividend-paying stocks across different industries and sectors, investors can reduce their overall risk and potentially increase their returns over time. Tax benefits. In the Philippines, dividend income is generally subject to a lower tax rate than other types of investment income, such as interest or capital gains. This can provide additional benefits to investors who are looking to maximize their returns while minimizing their tax liabilities. Of course, there are also potential drawbacks to dividend investing, such as the risk of dividend cuts or suspensions, and the potential for underperformance compared to other types of investments. In the next sections of this video, we'll explore these and other factors in more detail and compare dividend investing to other investment strategies in the Philippines. Risk versus potential reward. One key factor to consider when comparing dividend investing to other investment strategies is the level of risk versus potential reward. Dividend-paying stocks can offer a lower level of volatility and potentially provide a steady stream of income, but may offer lower overall returns compared to growth stocks or other types of investments. Time horizon. Another important factor to consider is the time horizon for the investment. Dividend investing can be a great long-term strategy for building wealth and generating income over time, but may not be the best option for those who are looking for short-term gains. Portfolio diversification. Dividend investing can also provide diversification benefits to an investment portfolio, as it allows investors to spread their money across a range of dividend-paying stocks in different industries and sectors. However, other investment strategies, such as mutual funds or ETFs, can also offer diversification benefits while potentially providing higher returns. Taxation. As mentioned earlier, dividend income is generally subject to a lower tax rate in the Philippines compared to other types of investment income. This can be a major advantage for dividend investors as it can help to minimize their tax liabilities and maximize their returns. Investment amount. Finally, it's important to consider the amount of money that is being invested. Dividend investing can be a great option for those who are just starting out with investing, as it allows them to build a portfolio over time without having to invest large amounts of money upfront. However, those with larger sums to invest may want to consider other options, such as real estate or private equity. Ultimately, the best investment strategy will depend on a variety of factors, including an investor's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. In the next section of this video, we'll provide some tips on how to get started with dividend investing in the Philippines. Dividend cuts or suspensions. One of the biggest risks of dividend investing is the possibility of dividend cuts or suspensions by the companies in which an investor has invested. This can happen if a company's financial performance deteriorates or if it needs to conserve cash for other purposes, such as paying off debt. In these cases, investors may see a decrease or elimination of their dividend income, which can have a significant impact on their investment returns. Volatility in stock prices. While dividend-paying stocks tend to be less volatile than growth stocks, they are not immune to fluctuations in stock prices. Market volatility can impact the stock price of dividend-paying companies, and if an investor needs to sell their shares during a downturn, they may experience loss. Limited options. Another challenge of dividend investing in the Philippines is the limited number of dividend-paying stocks available in the market. This can make it difficult for investors to build a diversified portfolio, and may also limit their ability to find high-quality dividend-paying stocks that meet their investment criteria. Economic and political risks. Like any investment, dividend investing is subject to economic and political risks that can impact returns. In the Philippines, these risks may include fluctuations in the exchange rate, changes in government policies, and instability in the domestic economy. Limited liquidity. Finally, dividend-paying stocks may be less liquid than other types of investments, such as bonds or mutual funds. This means that investors may have difficulty selling their shares quickly if they need to access their money in a hurry. Despite these challenges, dividend investing can still be a viable investment strategy for those who are looking to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. Thank you for watching our video on dividend investing versus other investment strategies in the Philippines. We hope this has been informative and helpful in your investment journey. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on smart investment strategies.